Searched everywhere on the YouTube. 99 Lincoln Navigator 5.4 liter. Changing the spark plugs and the coils. And as you always know, they always have an issue with the back ones. This side was good. This side I had two of them. Second to the last, for whatever reason, it got all rusted out. Couldn't come out. And the last one, as you guys know, it's way back in there. You can't even put your hand in there. It's real tricky. I did have to pull the fuel injection up just to get to the coils. I got these two coils. That one was rusted out. The last one was totally rusted out. And it was stripped. See, the whole hex thing no longer exists. So the actual swivel tool socket that I originally have for my truck. See, the whole tool is not connected together. It's connected together, so this doesn't come off. This one was, it wouldn't grab it because it's stripped. So after doing some research, I decided to buy this at Amazon. It's extractors, long extractors, and this is the baby right here that did the trick. I put a lot of WD-40. I got one of these hangers that we use for cleaning the grill. So you can see all the rust on it. And I stuck it in the hole and just wiggled around it for a good minute. And good old WD-40. Put a whole crap of WD-40 in there, wiggled it, used my nozzle, blow it all out. See all the rust on it? That's how much rust was in there. And yeah, it came out. Put the extractor with this extension, and then I put a swivel. And then I used, since I don't have a long one, I used 1, 2, 3 connectors, extensions, and then I have a swivel. And I went around these hoses straight down there, you could see. And just torqued it slowly. Of course, I thought it was loose, and then the tip of the spark plug broke. And I got all happy, but that didn't do the trick. So took everything out. Did some more scraping, more blowing, more WD-40. Went and got me some lunch. Came back, and my short legs wouldn't let me do good work with that little ladder, so I got my big toolbox to stand on it, and that worked for me. So yeah, I wish I could have filmed the process, but there's none on YouTube, so I'm gonna put this on YouTube now. Okay, so yeah, these things are well worth it. 40 bucks. Might be a one-time use for me, but you know what? Save me from taking this to the mechanic. And a couple of people told me how to pull the engine out. So, save my baby. 99 Lincoln Navigator with 320,000 miles. 320,000 miles.